Hello, I'm Ashley and I'm the engineer at Andover Norton. And one of the phone calls I get every single week is how to set up the spring and the Pawl. The manual does say that you should have detectable movement. And that is just perceivable. And this one here is most probably a little bit too much, but it does work. The idea of this Pawl is that the fact it rocks from one direction to the other as you move the gear operating lever up and down. Generally, if it is not set correctly, it will just tip one way and keep operating in one direction. When you've got the gearbox assembled, you'll find that you've managed to select all the gears up to fourth or down the first and can't change the gears back the other way. It's most probably this Pawl operating in the wrong direction. There is an easy way to set this Pawl to get the correct gap. And that is to use a rag between your fingers with it in place and squeeze it there. It's quite hard to do and it can leave an imprint in your fingers. And you keep checking it to make sure you end up with a tiny amount of rock on the Pawl. Of course, when you go to operate it, you will see that it engages one way and resets, and it will also engage up the other way and reset when you leave the lever in the neutral position. If you've got any questions about how this Pawl is set up and which way the spring goes, please feel free to contact myself or Simon and we will discuss it further with you so you can get it correct and have a nice gear change on your bike. That's it for today. Any queries, contact Andover Norton or send us an email through to the technical line. Thank you very much.